Roll up.
Go three.
Scored already?
No offside.
When is the game over? Okay, start. I'm on dreams. Oh, what a pass. What a pass.
What a turn.
What a
What a shot.
giveaway.
Yeah, give away. My neighbor got big testicles, cause we see this dude every day. Yeah, give away.
They see me mowing my front lawn. I know they're all thinking I'm so wide and nerdy. Think I'm just too wide and nerdy. Think I'm just too wide and nerdy.
No. No. Pass. Oh, that was a nice pass. That was a nice pass. Look at Leo. Look at. Look, Kike scores. Wait, what position is Kike right?
I don't even know.
Say me. Hey, Leo.
Controlling.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
Leo, go! Nice job, Leo.
They were vaping in the locker room.
Did you see? I hate when they say that. Let's go 0-0. I hate it. You have to talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think they like because when the cheerleaders come and they score again, like they score again right here, score again right here, score again right here, they score again right here, they chip it over and score. Oh shit!
Oh, is it in?
No. That was a goal.
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 Well, that went in. I even saw a line from right here.
That was like Frank Lampard against Germany.
Look at Gio.
Threw it!
Look at Gio. Oh my god. Dude, he has one. He has f***ing one. Oh my god. He has one. Put me in injured.
Two bodies down.
Put me in injured.
Ooh,
Put me in injured.
it's like nice fog over there. Ref!
Right
Finally for us!
Where's Kiki? Can't find him.
Has she been on the field?
He's number 12. Better be messed up.
No. Is he number 12?
Yeah.
Then he's over there.
Is he here? Is he messed up in a jersey? Better be messed up.
Why?
Oh, we had no more home games there, man.
We don't have any more home games.
Oh, he's not even this. He's not even through at all. Oh my god.
Remate!
Dude! Who's going in?
If only would have taken it against Christmas. Yeah. I mean, he got basically the whole game except for the part where he got a yellow card.
That wasn't even a yellow.
Yeah. No.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Sticking that. Just go wait, why? Okay, ready, get your camera ready to the side.
Went to the center.
Oh shit, he flipped.
Yep. Yeah, like the middle is like, it's like a pit.
It's still not, no, that's still not muddy at all.
Yeah. No, it's not over. I just hope that since...
Shaggy, how is kicking not muddy yet? Huh?
Oh yeah. Neither's Andrew.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, I'm not gonna fall.
We should play with the white balls.
Huh, better. Now we should get in the Kuchiki one there. Not too bad.
Coach Q doesn't even watch the other teams.
Didn't watch his own team. Practice.
No lo metieron a la casa.
5 minutes left. 4 minutes, 30 seconds left. Woo! He took the missile.
Just to pick us. 5 minutes?
4 minutes. 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
It's gonna be over 2-0. They lost.
1-0.
1-0?
Yeah.
Oh,
It would have
yeah.
been 2-0.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It would have been 2-0. Juega la polémica. They're taking their time. Come on, pressure it.
That's an offside.
Thank God there was an offside.
How many more minutes?
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
I'm gonna go down there.
Would have been 4-0.
4-0?
Thursday, Shashi? Thanks, G.
How much is it?
What?
How much is it?
1-0?
Huh?
2 minutes.
su carro es un pinche Toyota. Y el Honda nomás tiene como...
2 minutes!
Ella no sabe de pinche carro. Es que le quedara comida. Yo nomás por la acción de la ya le dije, ya me quedé callado.
1 minute!
Una reta me dijo que 600 el Camaro que es de 8.
Dedicated, the definition of dedication. Wrote this on record while I was levitating. Sitting in my room with the pen and paper. I'm innovative. They've been afraid of me since I was a second grader. I'm the kid on the playground. Mama told you to never play, but there's levels of music and I'm in the elevator, going up to the top floor. Look how we elevate.